Hi, I'm Mary Joy Calzado at your service. I'm a licensed financial advisor for Sun Life. For this video, I'm going to share with you a sample illustration of a VUL product. So para alam nyo how it works. For your information, this is currently the leading life insurance product in the Philippines. And let's find out later why. So we're going to talk about also the different supplementary benefits na pwede nyong idagdag sa VUL policy ninyo. Okay, so ang tanong, do you want to get insured and to have a savings at the same time? If your answer is yes, then you have to continue watching this video. Okay, so let me share my slides with you. Variable Universal Life, or VUL, is a combination of life insurance and investment. Let us have a quick review first of the benefits of a VUL product. Life insurance coverage doubles. Ibig sabihin, yung life insurance coverage is times 2 ng face amount ng plan ninyo. Sa VUL products ng Sun Life, FlexiLink lang ang hindi times 2 and the rest of the VUL products ay times 2 ang coverage. Insured ka till age 88 or 100. Pag MaxiLink 100, until age 100 ka insured and the rest of the VUL products ay until age 88. Can add supplementary benefits or riders for additional protection. And of course, may additional charge din ang mga ito. The investment component is through mutual funds. So we will talk about later how it works. Can add top-ups or excess premium. If okay naman na cash flow ninyo at gusto nyo na mas lumaki ang investment part ng plan ninyo, pwede kayo magdagdag ng excess sa regular premium nyo. It will be used as pambili ng number of units ng chosen fund ninyo. Can do partial withdrawals. Kasi nga, meron kang investment component. So, pera nyo yun. Pwede nyo withdrawin. Make sure lang na hindi ma-zero yung fund value para enforce pa rin yung life insurance part ng plan ninyo. With the whole life to pay, 5 years or 10 years. Yung whole life, pwedeng i-convert sa 10 years by adding premium holidays. Pag whole life kasi, mas matagal ang inyong babayaran, so mas mura. Ang advantage nun, mas malaki rin ang savings ninyo in the future. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman ng matagal na pagbabayad, pwede nyo i-convert to 10 years. Mag-add na lang kayo ng 30% ng regular premium na binabayaran nyo. Ito yung tinatawag nating regular premium holidays. Okay, so now let's have a sample illustration ng isang VUL policy. So, we have here Juan de la Cruz, 30 years old, non-smoker. Kumuha siya ng Sun MaxiLink Prime. This is one of the VUL products ni Sun Life. With face amount of 1 million. Ang monthly premium na babayaran niya for life insurance coverage alone ay 4,500. As mentioned, ang VUL ay combination ng insurance and investment. Let us talk about the insurance part first. So, the primary benefits of the plan is a life insurance coverage of 2 million, which is times 2 ng face amount. So, the life insurance coverage is the amount na marireceive ng beneficiaries ni Juan de la Cruz in case na ma-out of the picture siya ng bigla-bigla. So, once he paid his initial premium or yung first 3 months and something happened to him, within that 3 months, entitled na agad na makareceive yung beneficiaries niya ng 2 million. In other words, kahit hindi pa tapos ang 10 years, protected ang family ni Juan de la Cruz. Ganon kapag insured. So, ano-ano yung mga idinagdag niya to maximize the protection? So, nagdagdag siya ng supplementary benefits na total disability benefit or waiver of premium, accidental death, dismemberment, and disablement benefit na 1 million, critical illness benefit na 1 million, hospital income benefit na 2,000 per day. So, as I mentioned, additional charge ang mga supplementary benefits. So, for these supplementary benefits, nagdagdag siya ng additional 1,100 per month. Kaya ang monthly premium na niya ay 5,600. Sulit naman ang additional 1,100 per month, diba? For these benefits. Isa-isahin natin ang mga supplementary benefits na ito. Una, the total disability benefit or waiver of premium. So, in case of the total disability ni Juan de la Cruz and no longer fit to work, i-waive ang binabayaran niya na premiums hanggang mag-end ang disability niya. Si Sun Life ang magbabayad ng remaining unpaid premiums. Payable din ito for 10 years, pero till age 60 ang benefit. Okay? Next benefit is accidental death, dismemberment, disablement benefit, or ADD for short. Ang benefit na makukuha niya ay 1 million. Okay? So this provides the beneficiary a percentage of the principal sum when the insured dies or suffers an injury from the accident within 1 year from the date of the accident. So for example, namatay si Juan de la Cruz due to accident. May additional na 100% of ADD benefit or 1 million yung life insurance coverage niya. Ang life insurance coverage niya ay 2 million, diba? So, ang makukuha ng family niya will be 3 million. At dahil may investment siya, isasama rin ang fund value or yung kinita ng investment niya. Yan ang marireceive ng beneficiaries ni Juan de la Cruz. In case of dismemberment, there's a corresponding percentage. For example, loss of sight of one eye is 50%. So, that will be 500,000. Makikita niyo yung percentage sa proposal or at sa contract. Okay, so in case of total disability for a period of 6 months within 1 year after the accident, makaka-receive naman ng 10% of the principal sum annually for 10 years. 10% of 1 million is 100,000. So for 10 years, that is the same as 1 million. So, basta lang mag-submit ng proof of total disability. This is also payable for 10 years, pero ang benefits is until age 70 for the accidental death. Disablement expires until age 60. So, that means if nabatay si Juan de la Cruz at the age of 72 due to accident, hindi na siya covered ng benefits na to. So, wala nang marireceive yung family niya. Ganun din, if na-disable siya due to accident at the age of 61 years old and above. Okay, ang isa pang rider na kasama ay para sa malalang sakit. Ito yung tinatawag natin critical illness benefit. Ang critical illness benefit ni Juan de la Cruz ay 1 million. Pwede pa itong itaas, depende kung gusto niya. Okay, so this will pay out cash in lump sum to help him cover with the medical expenses. Pwede lang siya makareceive nito if magkaroon siya ng malalang sakit na nasa listahan. For a VUL policy, ang covered ng critical illness benefit ay 36 illnesses. Makikita niyo yung list of illnesses sa proposal at sa contract. So, ibig sabihin nito, if na-diagnose siya with one of the illnesses na cover ng policy, makaka-receive siya ng 1 million. Take note ha, ang critical illness must occur more than 90 days after mag-take effect ang policy, or that is equivalent to 3 months. And before his 70th birthday. Kasi ang benefits nito ay hanggang 70 lang. At payable din ito until age 70. Okay, so renewable din ito every 5 years. Ibig sabihin, tumataas ang binabayaran every 5 years. Mostly kasi, mas mataas ang risk na magkasakit habang nagkakaedad. Tanong, akala ko ba 10 years to pay lang? Bakit may babayarang till age 70? Yes, at least 10 years lang. Your choice kung gusto nyong ituloy. Ang bayad kasi ni Juan de la Cruz sa ka-11th year ay kukunin or ibabawas sa fund value niya or yung kinita ng investment niya. So, doon babawasin. The next benefit ni Juan de la Cruz ay hospital income benefit. For this illustration, binigyan natin siya ng 2,000 per day. So, pag na-confine si Juan de la Cruz at na-admit sa hospital, parang susweldo siya ng Sun Life ng 2,000 per day. At doble yung benefit if sa ICU siya na-confine due to any specified dreaded diseases na nasa listahan. Halimbawa, acute heart attack, stroke, invasive cancer, etc. Makikita niyo yung list sa proposal, sa contract. So, payable din to within 6 until age 60 at ang benefit ay until age 60. Katulad ng critical illness benefit, ibabawas din sa fund value ng investment ni Juan de la Cruz ang bayad dito sa ika-11th year. Okay, so let us just summarize yung number of years to pay dun sa last two benefits ni Juan de la Cruz. Sa critical illness, ang payment ay till age 70. Sa hospital illness benefit, ang payment ay till age 60. So, if 30 years old lang si Juan de la Cruz, ang number of years na magbabayad siya for these two payments or benefits are 40 and 30 years. Masyado bang matagal? Optional lang naman ito na idagdag. So, in your case, bahala kayo kung gusto nyong idagdag. Anyway, yung investment component nyo naman ang magbabayad ng remaining years. Pwede rin naman na ituloy-tuloy nyo lang ang pagbabayad ng premiums ninyo for at least 5 years. Kung okay pa naman yung cash flow ninyo. Para hindi dito i-deduct sa fund value nyo yung bayad dito for these two benefits for 5 years. At mas lalaki ang investment component ninyo over time. Kung gusto nyo naman, idagdag nyo itong dalawang ito as sa VUL product ninyo as for the meantime, as backup, pansamantala. At kumuha kayo ng Sun Fit and Well Advantage 10. So this is payable for 10 years only with 114 critical illnesses na covered. Sa VUL, 36 illnesses lang ang covered. Dito, 114 critical illnesses. So, times 3 ang number of illnesses dito. So, I have a separate video for this. Paki-check na lang the feature and benefits. Tapos, kapag meron na kayong Sunfit and Well, Advantage 10, pwede nyo nang ipatanggal yung critical illness and hospital benefits ninyo sa VUL para hindi dire-diretso ang bayad nyo doon. Pwede nyo ipatanggal to every policy anniversary. Sabihin nyo lang sa financial advisor ninyo. Pwede rin naman na ituloy nyo lang kahit na may Sunfit and Well Advantage na kayo. Para in case na magkasakit kayo na covered ng both policies, di mas malaki ang ika-cash out ninyo for critical illness and hospital benefits, di ba? So, now, let's talk about the investment part ni Juan de la Cruz. Yung premium ni Juan de la Cruz will be divided into 3. Para saan? Sa insurance, admin charges, at sa investment. So, portion lang ng pera ni Juan de la Cruz ang ini-invest. Take note, ang VUL ay isang life insurance product. Kaya insurance muna, then investment. So, yung amount of money na ini-invest niya at the start, maliit lang. At habang tumatagal, lumalaki because of the power of compounding interest. Hindi guaranteed ang returns or tubo ng investment ni Juan de la Cruz dito, since hindi invest niya ito through mutual funds. So, anyway, on top pa ito ng life insurance coverage and other benefits na guaranteed if something happens to him. So, kung tutuusin, this investment component ay bonus na lang sa kanya if he lives too long. So, paano ba ito nag-work? Ang mutual funds kasi, ang way para makapag-invest tayo sa stocks, bonds, and money markets without buying it yourself. So, meron kasi fund manager na namamahala sa pera mo at inilalagay ito sa iba't ibang investment. Mas mura kasi ang mutual funds and diversified compared kung bumili ka mismo ng iba't ibang stocks or bonds ng sarili mo. Kaya kahit maliit lang yung pera mo, may opportunity ka makapag-invest sa iba't ibang magagandang companies or ito yung tinatawag nating blue chip companies ng Pilipinas. Tinawag silang blue chips kasi may track record na sila na maganda ang performance sa market over time. So, pwede ka rin mamili kung saan gusto mong i-invest yung pera mo. So, ang galaw or movement pwedeng conservative, aggressive, or balance. The higher the risk, the higher the return. If you are willing to appreciate your money for long term, then choose equity fund or yung index fund. So, based on history na VUL, ang projected interest of growth rate ay 4%, 8%, at 10%. So, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, hindi guaranteed ang return. So, pwedeng mas mataas sa 10% or pwede rin mas mababa sa 4%. Depende sa performance ng investment fund na napili mo. So, bakit ganun? Bakit hindi guaranteed? Kasi nobody can really tell the future, di ba? Walang makakapagsabi how will the market perform next coming years. But these rates are past performance ng Sun Life's VUL. So since we can't guarantee the future performance of the market, we can use this past performance as basis or indicators. So suppose ang projected growth rate ng investment ni Juan de la Cruz ay 8%. So at the age of 40, his fund value will be 228,890. At habang nagkakaedad siya, tumataas ang fund value niya or savings niya. So for this plan na may insurance na with investment pa, mag-shell out lang siya ng total of 672,000 for 10 years. O diba, bongga? Bonggang-bongga ang return. Ito yung dahilan. Kaya ang VUL is the leading life insurance product in the Philippines today. Ang tanong, pwede ba ako mag-withdraw sa VUL funds ko? Yes, you can withdraw. You can withdraw this in lump sum anytime in case of emergency or if you are already satisfied dun sa return ng investment mo. To avoid lang yung termination ng life insurance mo, huwag mo lang i-zero yung fund value mo. Magtira ka kahit konti para enforce pa rin si insurance. Pwede ka namang mag-partial withdrawal dito, minimum of 5,000. Yung amount na withdrawin mo ay ibabawas dun sa number of units na meron ka sa investment fund mo. So, mapabawasan nga lang yung number of units na meron ka. So, if ever, kung ano talaga yung purpose ng investment mo, dun mo na lang ilaan. If it is for retirement, then withdrawin mo pag dumating na yung retirement age mo. Bakit? Para you can take advantage of the compounding interest. Yung investment component kasi ni VUL ay designed talaga for long term. So, si Juan de la Cruz ay mamatay bago siya mag-retire at never siya nakapag-withdraw? So, for example, namatay si Juan de la Cruz at the age of 50 at ang fund value niya during that time ay 1,894,233 nasa previous slides. So, in that case, ang ma-receive ng family niya ay 3,894,233. So, that is if the cause of death is natural death. Dahil meron siyang accidental death benefit din, madadagdagan pa yan if at the age of 50 namatay siya due to accident. So, ma-receive ng family niya will be 4,894,233. May additional na 1 million. Okay, so another question. Can I afford to pay the insurance premiums yearly? Yes, you can. No worries kasi we can adjust the plan. Yung plan na swak sa budget mo. So, marami kasi tayong option dyan. So, here are different Sun Life's VUL products. Sun FlexiLink, Sun MaxiLink 100. So, both of these are payable for whole life. Pero, kung ayaw mo naman magbayad ng whole life, you can pay only this for 10 years by adding premium holidays or 30% of your regular pay or regular premium. Okay? So, meron din tayo na Sun MaxiLink for 5 years and Sun MaxiLink Bright for 5 years, Sun MaxiLink Prime for 10 years. So, let me give you an estimated monthly premiums. So, ayan. So, for as low as $799 for whole life to pay, pwede ka na magkaroon ng insurance plus investment. Yan ang pinakamababang plan under FlexiLink. So, life insurance coverage na 250,000 life insurance coverage. So, this is the most affordable na VUL. Can I afford to pay the insurance premiums yearly? Yes, you can. Kasi we can make a plan na swak sa budget nyo. Marami tayo kasing option dyan. So, here are the different Sun Life's VUL products. Sun FlexiLink, Sun MaxiLink 100. So, both of these are payable for whole life. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman magbayad ng whole life, you can pay this only for 10 years. Magdagdag na lang kayo ng premium holidays, which is 30% of the regular premium ninyo. We also have Sun MaxiLink Bright, 5 years, and Sun MaxiLink Prime for 10 years. Let me give you an estimate monthly premiums na pwede dito. So, for as low as 799 pesos per month for whole life to pay, pwede ka na magkaroon ng insurance plus investment. With the Sun FlexiLink, meron ka ng 250,000 life insurance coverage. And this is the most affordable VUL policy in Sun Life. Ang advantage kasi ng whole life to pay, malaki ang magiging fund value mo in the future. Syempre, tuloy-tuloy ang pagbabayad mo eh. So, tuloy-tuloy din ang pag-increase ng number of units sa investment fund mo. Pero kung ayaw mo naman ng whole life at gusto mo 10 years to pay lang, at least 10 years to pay lang, mag-add na lang kayo ng premium holidays or additional 30% of the regular premium. Ang monthly nyo na will be 1,100 pesos per month for 10 years. If gusto nyo naman ng times 2 ng face amount ang insurance coverage, for as low as 1,500 per month, that is if 25 years old pa lang ha, kasi mas nagkakaedad, mas nagmamahal, so depende yan sa edad. You can have a life insurance coverage of 700,000. That is times 2 ng face amount of 350,000. So, Available yan sa Sun Maxilink 100 at Sun Maxilink Prime na 10 years to pay. Yung Sun Maxilink 100 dyan, meron ng additional na 30% regular premium. So, take note ha, life insurance coverage lang yan. Ha? So, if gusto nyo magdagdag ng supplementary benefits, that will be an additional charge. Okay, so, kung mapapansin nyo, ang VUL policy nakadepende sa age, monthly budget ninyo, at additional supplementary benefits na gusto ninyo. Kaya nga, if you want to have a plan na customized talaga sa needs ninyo, tara, usap tayo. Pag-usapan natin yan via Zoom or Messenger. Just send me a direct message. Okay, so now let's talk about the pros and cons of the VUL product. First, cons for savings plan. Para sa mga nahihirapang mag-save dyan. Ito na yun, pagkakataon nyo para makapag-save. Mapipilitan kasi kayo magbayad ng monthly premiums ninyo. So, in the future, may sure savings ka. Explicit charges. So, makikita yung mga charges sa proposal or sa contract. Unlike kasi sa traditional life insurance, hindi mo alam kung saan napupunta yung payment mo. Still insured ka, kahit na nagamit mo na, insured that with investment ka, kahit na nagamit mo na yung supplementary benefits mo na like hospital income benefit, ADD, CIB or critical illness benefit. That is if meron ka. Next is hindi madaling mag-lapse ang plan. Meron kasing 30 days na grace period, and if ever nawala ka pa rin pambayad within that 30 days, pwede gamitin yung fund value mo na pambayad ng premiums. So, maglalapse lang yung plan mo if nag-zero na yung fund value mo. Flexible payments. You can pay this in quarterly, semi-quarterly, or annually. Pwede rin monthly for auto-debit arrangement after nyo na magbayad ng initial payment. Ang initial payment ay 1 quarter or 3 months. Ito yung payment na kasabay ng application ninyo. So, once naman nabayad ng initial payment ninyo or initial premium nyo, in effect ng policy ninyo. So, protected ka na at yung family mo. Credit card is also accepted sa pagbabayad ng premium. I-enroll nyo lang yung credit card ninyo sa site ni Sun Life. Okay, so now, what are the cons naman ng VUL products? If you terminate the policy too early, you may suffer loss. Just like I've mentioned before, ang VUL ay isang life insurance product and not an investment. Kaya nga, at the start, maliit lang ang amount ng premium na napupunta sa investment component ng plan mo. Kasi, insurance muna before investment. Plus, may mga administration charges pa. Okay? So, kaya at early years, yung investment component mo dito, maliit lang. Anyway, ito ay bonus na lang sa life insurance coverage ninyo. So, if this investment is designed talaga for long-time goals, kung ita-terminate nyo yung policy ninyo too early, ang makukuha nyo lang kung ano yung current na fund value ng plan mo. So, if it is too early, talo ka. So, this is not good for short term. Okay, so take note, this is not good for short term. This is designed for long-term investment on 10 years and above. Okay, so affected by the performance of the stock market and crisis. Kasi nga, ang investment part ng plan mo ay nasa mutual funds. So, affected siya ng market movement. The higher the age, the higher the insurance cost. At habang mas bata at walang sakit, mas mura. Kaya samantalahin nyo na bata pa kayo at wala pa kayong sakit. Okay, so kung meron kayong questions na hindi nabanggit dito sa video na to, mag-comment lang kayo or pwede kayong mag-send ng direct message sa akin sa Messenger. So, with the features and benefits that I have presented about the VUL products, do you think magiging beneficial ito sa iyo at sa family mo? Do you think makakatulong ito para sa future mo? If you think na makakatulong ang video na ito sa relatives and friends mo, please share it with them. And don't forget to hit and the like and subscribe button. Pa-like na rin po and follow yung page ko. Okay? Para stay updated kayo. So again, I'm Mary Joy Calzado, one of the Sun Life Financial Advisors. If wala pa kayong financial advisor, I'm very much willing to offer my service to you. Nakakaasa po kayo na my commitment as financial advisor is for a lifetime. Just send me a direct message. Thank you for watching. Bye!